Hi, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to teach you how to work a PSSO decrease for beginners. So a PSSO is a pass the slip stitch over decrease. So in order to work this, we're going to go into that first stitch on our left hand needle as if we were going to knit it, but we're going to slip it instead. So go into this first stitch as if you were knitting it, so into that first loop, but just slip it from your left hand needle to your right hand needle, like that. And now we're going to knit the next stitch normally. So we know how to do that. We go into the front loop of this stitch, we yarn over front to back, and we pull through a loop. And now you can slip that off of your left hand needle. So if we look at our right hand needle, the second one from the tip is our slipped stitch, and the closest one to the tip is our knit stitch. So in order to work the PSSO, we're going to take this slip stitch and pass it over the knit stitch and off the needle. So we go into this slip stitch from left to right into that front loop. And you want to place your index finger on that knit stitch to keep it from falling off. And now we just pull the slip stitch over that knit stitch and off our needle. Okay? And you may need to pull slightly on your working yarn to tighten that stitch up. You don't want to tighten it up too much, but you want it to be about the same size as all the other stitches. So here is what that PSSO looks like. It's nice and neat.